Watch out!
Oh, I'm so sorry. Kids, you can't run on the airplane.
We could get hurt. And we should wear our seatbelts.
Now you are safe.
Seatbelts are important. What's wrong?
It's so boring.
Stop! It's annoying other passengers.
Hey!
I'm sorry, sir. Kids, you disrupt other people. You should sit up straight.
Then others can enjoy the flight. Snack time!
It will lift your spirits.
Thank you. Uh-oh, Pit's making a mess.
Oh, Pit, you should be careful while eating.
I'm sorry.
We shouldn't be messy on a plane.
I know what you need.
We can watch videos.
Oh no, these kids have woken you up.
Everyone is upset.
I can't take it anymore! These kids really don't know how to behave! Give me another seat!
It's important to be quiet in public spaces. We have something to say.
We are sorry. Now we know the rules.
Lollipops! Yay!
Can we help you?
This'll stop babies crying. Now everyone's happy.
Your children are so well behaved.
Whoops!
Oh no, my dress! You should be careful, sir.
We have to follow the rules.
Wait a second.
We must always be respectful.
You should know the airplane rules, sir.
Thank you, kids!
Oh.
And sorry, ma'am.
Can we hear a story?
Once upon a time, far, far away.
Baby Cherry is ready for her nap. And so are we. Bye-bye, everybody. Time for a plane ride. Oh, that bag is too heavy.
Excess luggage.
Baby Cherry, you can't take all your toys. That's much better.
Woohoo!
Is something in Baby Cherry's bag?
Huh? Your ticket, please. Welcome aboard.
Here's your seat. There's something in the bag. A kitty.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Ew, Baby made us stinky. And Kitty got loose.
This is your captain speaking.
Ouch! I better help Pit. Baby Cherry, pets on planes can be dangerous. She'll be safe in a pet carrier. That's better.
I wish you a pleasant flight.
You better buckle up. Not quite, Baby Cherry. Let me help. Snack time! You can use the snack tray. Here's your snack. Baby needs the toilet.
Attention, passengers. We are in a turbulence zone.
Baby will have to wait. No, Baby Cherry. It isn't safe.
Dear passengers, we've made an emergency landing.
Kitty's missing. Yay! Pit has her.
Wow!
Look at all the numbers, Polly.
I can count.
What is that?
One.
What do you have one of?
One book.
Good job. It's the number 2. Here comes Root.
1, 2.
He has 2 wheels, but one is flat.
Two wheels.
Here you go, Root.
Thank you, Polly.
Mommy made cookies.
I can count. Really? How many cookies are on the plate? 1, 2, 3.
That's right. There are 3 cookies.
Well done.
You try, Polly.
Look how it should be done.
3 cookies.
Oh. Pant loves cookies too.
And now it's time to go for a walk.
Quack, quack, here come the ducks. Polly, you're not a duck. You can't jump in pond.
Swimming in the pond is prohibited.
How can I make these ducks come to me?
Think for yourself.
Polly has an idea.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks.
And they are all hungry. So sweet. How many kids are there?
I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 kids playing.
We have 5 friends.
Yes, you can play together.
Pine is building a tower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow, it's very tall.
Six sand cake.
It's going to fall.
Oh no, my tower. 6 sand cake.
It's now a castle.
Well, thank you. Polly, look! How beautiful it is!
How many did she pick?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 flowers.
You both look so pretty.
But it's even more beautiful.
That's a lot of bubbles. Let's add one more.
After 7 comes 8. 8 bubbles.
But it's getting late.
It's time to go back home.
Daddy's looking at the stars.
Mom told me that you had learned numbers.
Right.
Let's count how many stars there are in the sky.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
There are 9 stars.
Great!
And they make a shape.
Wow, 9 stars.
It's a rocket ship.
Eight, 9, 10. 10 sheep.
Good night, Polly. Jack has a new toy robot. What can it do, Jack?
2 steps forward. Spin on your head.
Who else wants to try?
Jump and somersault.
Good job.
Right hand up. One step left. Dance. Sing. Turn.
That's a lot for the robot to do. Oh no, it's broken. Can Daddy Cherry fix it?
My robot is broken.
Don't be upset. It's just overheated.
It just needs a new battery.
But if you all give commands together at the same time, then it can really break. So give commands one by one.
Now you can each take turns.
Do the splits.
Okay, Polly, you're next.
Make a wheel.
It's Spiky's turn.
Hugs.
Oh, robot hugs are the best.
I am the first. No, I.
Pine and Root are fighting over the slide. Polly will use it then.
Stop!
You're in the way, Pine.
It's not your turn now. I won't let you. Mommy!
Boys, you have scared Polly.
She wanted to skip the line. No one waited in line.
Children, don't fight. You need to respect each other. On the slide, it's dangerous to push and get in the way. If you don't follow safety rules on the playground, you may get injured.
And you might have to see the doctor.
So please go down the slide one by one.
Polly can go first. Yum! Who wants ice cream? Who took that? Jack, that's not yours.
This is unfair.
Please stand in line. I saw who came first and who came last.
Sorry, I just really wanted ice cream.
Wait in line and be patient.
This way, everyone will get a chance.
You are all great.
See? Everyone got some ice cream.
Play one by one. Agree to take turns playing with the toy. Otherwise, the toy may break.
Thank you.
Sharing is easy.
Oh, there is no need to get ahead of your friends. There is enough ice cream for everyone.
Bye-bye.
Mom, please don't leave us.
We want you to stay and play.
Kids, I'm just going to work.
We will miss you.
Me too. But I'll be back soon. No!
Daddy, Mommy's leaving.
Kids,
We don't want treats.
And we don't want games.
Okay, I'll stay.
Daddy's up to something. Is he dressing like Mommy? Is she dressing like Daddy? Daddy needs some makeup. What's up, Daddy? Yay! Mommy's staying home. No, their disguises worked.
See you, Dad!
Kids, I miss you already.
Oh. What a messy lunch.
Whoops.
Hey, it's Daddy. Daddy has lots of fun. But we miss Mommy.
See you soon.
Mommy's home. Now she can give us a bath.
Blah, blah, blah.
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 And tuck us in. Nighty-night, everybody. That's Pit's favorite toy. Be careful, baby. Pit's toy. It's broken. And Pit's angry.
Oh, what happened here?
Baby smashed Pit's car.
It's okay to be upset, but you should take some time to calm down.
How, Mommy?
Let's count to 10 to calm down. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Wow, it worked.
Oh.
Now you can play together. Ooh. No way! Ferris wheels are scary. They're too high.
Oh?
I'm scared.
It's okay to feel scared, Penny. Look, Penny, you can try a smaller one first.
It's okay, Penny. It's not that fast.
Huh? Okay, I'll try it. Haha, it's fun! Huh? Mwah, baby is at daycare. But baby's sad.
It's okay to be sad, sweetie.
Huh?
You can play a game until your mom comes back.
Oh. You can have lots of fun.
Yay!
Huh? Let's go home, baby. Ah.
Huh? I'm so happy we're all together. I'm happy too.
Huh? Now we're all happy.
Hooray! It's snack time! We will have one cupcake and one cotton candy, please. What about Polly? And a donut. Here you go.
What is Brinjal up to?
Oh no! She stole the treats! I'll replace real candies with plastic ones! It's a fake cupcake! A plastic lollipop! And a toy donut! Polly thinks they're real! Here you go! Brick, your favorite treat! Oh, I love chocolate! It's my favorite! Let's share it! Be careful, it's fake! Huh? That's strange! Come quick, Mommy! Mom! Bai needs help! Call 911. We should call an ambulance. What does Dr. Carrot think?
You bit into something too hard.
Oh, it looks like the sweets aren't real.
You can't eat fake food, even if it looks delicious. You can damage your teeth and it can hurt your stomach.
We should call the police. Officer Pumpkin will get to the bottom of this.
I think these muffins are good. I mean, they're real.
Uh-oh, Brinjal's back.
Show me the lollipop that you have, Polly.
They look the same.
This is not a real lollipop.
Maybe those cupcakes are fake. What do you think, officer?
These donuts are very tasty. I mean, they're real. There's nothing wrong with them.
It's a clue.
Aha!
It was brinjal.
She took real sweets and replaced them with plastic ones. I need to catch her.
She's getting away. Ha! Now we can catch her.
This is my muffin. Oh, this is my lollipop. She stole it from me.
She's going to jail.
See, this one is real. And this one is plastic.
There's a lollipop in the tree.
This one is real too. It's so delicious.
Polly has a question.
Can I finally have some real sweets?
Kids, you have to pay attention to your stuff in public places. And you should never take food from strangers. It's important to always check your food before eating.
Be careful, friends.